This is how to properly choose, use, and apply conditioner to your hair and the mistakes to avoid so that you don't end up with dull, limp, dry, brittle, breaking hair. I'm going to share my top 7 professional tips to condition your hair. If you watch closely, you'll become a confident conditioning expert and your hair will be growing and glowing like never before. I'm Elizabeth, a master hairstylist and the founder of Shadavi, a hair brand that has helped thousands of women grow and keep healthy hair. So be sure to stick around until the end for a secret bonus tip to enhance your conditioner for ultimate hydrated hair. As a girly who is obsessed with hair and who has worked with multiple hair textures and types, I've noticed that this first step is by far the most important concept to grasp, yet most people just glaze over it. If you're wondering if conditioner is actually good for your hair, here's the answer. Conditioning your hair is absolutely essential after every shampoo. Think about it. The term condition or conditioner tells you exactly what you need to know. The Oxford Dictionary on Google tells us that condition means to bring something into the desired state for use. Therefore, conditioning is one of the best things you can do for your hair because its primary purpose is to act as an agent to treat, prime, and prep your hair for styling by reintroducing moisture and protein into your strands. It replenishes moisture that shampoo has stripped away. It helps soften the hair, making it easier to detangle and manage. It strengthens hair, reducing the risk of split ends and mid-strand breaks. It reduces frizz so you don't have to walk around looking shocked. Whether you want popping curls, a smooth silk press, or more volume, conditioner is necessary. Now listen closely. There's many types of conditioner to choose from. Consider your hair type to determine the best for you. I've explained thoroughly in this shampoo video. It's best practice to use the conditioner that matches the shampoo you use, like hydrating, strengthening, balancing, smoothing, volumizing, and so on. However, there are exceptions to this because it depends on what your hair needs at the moment. If your hair is feeling limp, dull, and stretchy, this means it needs protein. So a protein-based strengthening conditioner or deep conditioning mask is best. If your hair is feeling dry and brittle, it needs moisture, so a good moisturizing conditioner is best. If your hair is a mix of any of these issues, you can use both strengthening and moisturizing conditioner mixed together or one after the other in the same session. Masks usually have proteins, amino acids, or bond repairing ingredients. These type of conditioners are more restoring and intense than a normal conditioner because it penetrates deeper into the strand and repairs your hair. You can also turn a regular conditioner into a deep conditioner by leaving it in longer and sitting under a hooded dryer with a cap or under a steamer. Deep conditioning and hair masks should be done 1 or 2 times a month depending on your hair needs, or a series of them to repair your hair. Co-washing, which is conditioner-only washing, is an alternative to shampoo because it can replenish moisture without stripping hair, which is great for dry hair. But you should only use it in between regular wash days with shampoo. Just like with shampoo, there are ingredients to avoid like sulfates, parabens, and drying alcohols. Look for ingredients that add moisture like aloe vera and glycerin. I recommend our conditioner and mask linked in the description box below. After choosing the right conditioner, the application is the most important part to get right. If you have thick, dense hair, or even if you just want to maintain better control, section your hair. Your hair may already be in sections from when you washed it. Continue with these same sections. It allows for even distribution of the conditioner. Most people think more product is better, but if you are using a high quality conditioner like our Aquaholic Hydrating 5-in-1 conditioner, then you won't need much. It should be a sheer coating of product on the hair. Start with a dime size amount for each section and increase depending on your hair's length and thickness. The most important factor to note in applying conditioner is that the conditioner is made for hair, not the scalp. The oldest, weakest, and most fragile part of your hair are your ends. Start at the ends where hair is most damaged and work your way up to the roots, avoiding the scalp. Smooth the conditioner in a downward motion for each section. Going in the opposite direction roughs up the cuticle layer of the hair shaft. Go ahead and like this video. Most people are very quick to rinse out the conditioner, but it's best to allow the conditioner to sit. For a regular quick session, leave the conditioner in for at least 5 minutes. For deep conditioning, sit under a hooded dryer with a plastic cap or steamer for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Now your hair should already be detangled from when you pre-pooed, but you can gently and easily detangle while there's still conditioner in your hair. Use a wide tooth comb, detangling brush, or fingers to smooth in a downward direction. You shouldn't have a lot of shedding or hit many snags at this point. Now it's time to rinse. When it comes to rinsing out the conditioner, use cool water. This helps to lock in moisture and seal in protein particles that will remain in the hair shaft. Cool water closes the cuticle, leaving the hair smooth. Rinse thoroughly to remove all the product, as leftover conditioner can cause buildup and dullness. Your style won't turn out right. Now, if a product is a leave-in conditioner, it is not meant to be rinsed out. However, leave-in conditioners are not replacements for traditional conditioners. Leave-in should be applied after you thoroughly rinse the regular conditioner. Let's talk about drying tips. Lightly towel dry your hair with a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt to reduce frizz rather than a regular towel. Your hair should still be damp. Depending on how you plan on styling your hair, you may want to leave it wet. Follow the instructions on your styling products for the best results. Now, those are good tips, but they don't matter if you make these mistakes. Be sure not to apply conditioner directly to the scalp. It can clog follicles, leaving it itchy, especially if not rinsed thoroughly. Some naturals believe in overnight conditioning with super wet hair, but be careful with this. Allowing the conditioner to sit for too long before moving to the next phase can cause your hair to become waterlogged, meaning your hair absorbs too much water, leading to super puffy hair. Now, are you ready for my secret tip to take your conditioning game to the next level? To lock in moisture from your conditioner, enhance it with a teaspoon of really good hair oil like our Shadavi Iconic Hair and Scalp Elixir Oil. This will boost the conditioning properties and you'll love the results. For semi-DIY conditioners, which take much less time to make than creating a conditioner from scratch, add homemade flaxseed or chia seed gel. You can also add honey, avocado, or mayonnaise. This gives you that from scratch feel, but you'll get all the ingredients found in your store-bought conditioner. My personal favorites are oil and flaxseed. So I'm sure you've learned that properly conditioned hair can be the canvas to gorgeous styles and growing thick, shiny hair. Now that you have all the details, go ahead and start experimenting with different types of conditioner so that you can nail down your hair needs and routine. Also, watch this shampoo video if you want to learn how to properly shampoo your hair, or watch this next video for more healthy hair tips. Comment below what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.